Good morning. So now the another instruments we had discussed many instruments which are present in the microbiology lab. So another most important instrument is the lab incubators. So here we incubate our cultures. So cultures, microbial cultures, various cultures, incubators. So these are a chamber-like uh, chambers and like which controls the temperature and other environment inside them. So in lab, we can have five types of different incubators and many more types of incubators available in the market. So first one is a bacteriological incubator, then orbital shaking incubators, egg incubators, CO2 incubators, and BOD incubators. In microbiology lab, bacteriological incubators, orbital shaking incubators, and BOD incubators are mostly used, whereas incubators are used in poultry and CO2 incubators are used in animal tissue culture labs. So what they provide? So these are the cabinets you can see in the picture. These are the closed cabinets, closed space area, and which provides a controlled environment because bacteria or any microbes grow in a controlled environment. So these provide the actually controlled environment them to grow. So here you can see this is a bacteriological incubator. So it has a door. So whole of the structure is any of the incubator. So it is always a double wall and and between both walls there is a PU form is filled. And this bacteriological incubators has usually has a windows from this glass window, so you can see your cultures kept inside. But this is a static one. There are steel plates are inside it. Then, if bacterium or microorganisms require oxygen, then we need a shaking incubator. So, shaking incubators actually it has a platform which uh, moves like a orbital in a orbit. So this is known as orbital, and due to this movement, whatever the culture we kept in this, they can move. So usually it is used to incubate the your liquid cultures that is known as broth, and to increase the aeration in the culture. Otherwise, microbes becomes settle down after some times. So orbital shaking incubators for giving aerations to the culture medium, and BOD incubators because these incubators only can be maintained at uh, above ambient temperature, that is a room temperature. But in summers, the temperature is outside at more than 45 degrees. But if we want to grow, we want to grow a bacteria whose optimum temperature or growth suppose is 30 degree. So it cannot be grown at 45 degree in the room temperature. So we need a cooling. So BOD incubators are usually have condensers, compressors, and cooling. So they are also known as cooling incubators. So they have provision for the cooling like our refrigerators at home. So BOD incubators have cooling also. Otherwise, the function of all the incubators have same. CO2 incubators a little bit more sophisticated, and it also maintains the humidity inside it uh, as well as the CO2 level inside the incubators, which is required for the growth of cells, animal cells, to prevent from their, them from contamination. So these are a little brief about the lab incubators. Thank you.